Hey everyone, let's face an uncomfortable reality. People often don't value what they think they can't lose. Feeling like a backup plan in a woman's world? It's time to flip the script. Show that you're not chained to this situation and that you hold the power. Here are some strategies to subtly convey that message without spelling it out. But first, if you're new here, smash that red subscribe button and drop a comment saying, "I've subscribed," so I can give you a shout out and welcome you to the crew. 1. Spend time with the guys. Did you know? Women often aren't thrilled about their men hanging out too much with their friends. Why? It signals a shift in priorities and reduced commitment to her. A strong male support network empowers you, helps you level up, and pushes you to make decisions you wouldn't typically make alone. By going out with your friends, you send a clear signal that you have a world beyond the relationship, where your happiness isn't tied to her. 2. Expand your social circle to include more women. Here's an interesting fact. Having more women in your social circle, whether platonic or not, taps into the natural competitive streak that women have. When she sees other women around you, even if they're just co-workers or old friends, it triggers a subtle but competitive edge. It reminds her that if she doesn't step up, someone else will. This healthy competition keeps her invested. 3. Embrace a more masculine persona. Women instinctively recognize that masculine men are assertive, independent, and don't tolerate nonsense for long. Research shows that men with higher testosterone levels are less likely to commit long-term. This knowledge creates a subtle sense of urgency and importance in how she interacts with you. Your commitment isn't a given. It's something to be valued and worked for. Leverage this knowledge to instill a bit of uncertainty, ensuring she never overlooks your value. 4. Be emotionally unavailable at times. Moderation is key here. You don't need to completely shut off or go cold, but it's okay to sometimes pull away and not be instantly available as an emotional outlet. This creates a subtle shift in your dynamic, showing that you're not always there at her beck and call. It's a reality check for her and helps maintain a healthy balance. 5. Center your life around something else. A woman knows she can't lose a man whose entire life is centered around her. Have an awesome life of your own. Focus on personal achievements, building your legacy, or mastering self-development. When these become the center of your world, she ceases to be the sole source of your happiness and fulfillment. This transformation sets the stage for her to fear losing you. 6. Communicate effectively. Clear and effective communication is key to any relationship. Make sure your feelings and expectations are known, but also listen to hers. Show that you value open dialogue and mutual respect. When she sees that you're serious about maintaining a healthy line of communication, it reinforces her perception of your value. 7. Keep pursuing your interests and goals. Never abandon your personal goals and interests for the sake of the relationship. Whether it's a hobby, a career goal, or personal development, continue to pursue what makes you happy and fulfilled. This shows her that you're a driven individual who has his own life and passions, making you more attractive and less likely to be taken for granted. 8. Don't fear the idea of losing her. The moment you start fearing the idea of losing her, you're setting yourself up for loss. This fear puts you in a position of weakness, and it shows in your actions and attitude. You start to overcompensate, becoming too available and too agreeable. Maintain your cool, independence, and remember, you were whole before her, and you'll be whole even if things don't work out. 9. Be authentic and honest. Many men hide their true selves out of fear that their partner won't like them. But this fear-based approach is a trap. Authenticity makes you a rare breed in today's world. heightening her fear of losing you. She values the trust and respect this brings and sees losing an honest man like you as a huge risk. 10. Set firm boundaries. Women cannot love a man they don't respect. Establish clear boundaries in your relationship. Don't be a doormat. A man who sets firm and clear boundaries radiates strength and self-respect. From her viewpoint, the fear of losing a guy who fiercely guards his self-respect is logical. A man who values his principles is a catch. 11. Display your disappointment. If she does something wrong or breaks your trust, let your disappointment be known. A man with no options is often overlooked. If you show that you're not okay with certain behaviors, it motivates her to earn back your approval and plants the idea that you have the option to leave if necessary. Let logic guide your decisions, not just emotions. If you found this interesting, why don't you like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on revolutionizing your dating approach. See you in the next video.